ShiftReport or LogBook Hyperlinking. The LogBook or ShiftReport modules contain a rich text editor allowing hyperlinking to other documents. This feature is especially useful to quickly refer to items of your company's digital quality management system. The only limit to the possible application of this function will be technical restrictions of your ICT infrastructure and your imagination. We advise companies to create a company policy to make it clear to all involved how to use it and what the limits are, so this function is used in the best suited way for your operation. Use it wisely but sparely. How to make a hyperlink in the logbook. Click on Add or Edit to enter the editor. Type your text and make a selection. Click the hyperlink function in the editor. And fill in the internet or intranet address of the documents you like to refer to. Complete the menu containing some basic options for your hyperlink. We advise to use the option New Window. Your report is now directly linked to other documents. Promise: hyperlinking your knowledge.